Right, this dance is the Chadwick, one of the older dances. And we start this in loose promenade hold. And we're going to go 3 walks along line of dance with a pendulum action to do the same thing against line of dance, and we repeat that for the first 8 bars. So we're doing walk, 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 swing, turn, walk, 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 swing, turn, walk, 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 swing, turn, walk, 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 swing, turn. Finish facing square to our partner. The second section, we're doing points and side close. So we're doing point, 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 side close, point, 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 side close, point, 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 side close, point, 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 side close. Finish in promenade position. We now do 2 walks and a fall away. So we do walk, walk, fall away, close without weight, walk, walk, fall away, close without weight. Now we repeat that, walk, walk, fall away, walk, walk. This time the man brings the lady into ballroom hold. We do 2 slows and 3 quicks along the line of dance and repeat. We do diagonal chassé to the centre, diagonal chassé to the wall, and a rotary chassé to finish with the man facing the lady back in the wall. We will now dance the whole 32 bars without stopping. And walk, walk, swing and turn. 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 The points, point, 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 side, close, point, 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 side, close. And again. Finishing loose promenade, and we do 2 walks and a fall away, close without weight. 2 walks and a fall away, close without weight. Repeat that. And the man brings the lady into ballroom hold. We do 2 walks and 3 quicks, 2 walks and 3 runs, diagonal chassé in, diagonal chassé out, and a rotary chassé to finish facing the wall and partner.